Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Today's YouTube will be focusing on mental health. I have been emphasized that I was trying to talk about some since the launch of this YouTube back in December 2020, and I think this is a time to uh, took a little discussion about this law. I'm not familiar with this law. Again, uh, those are the legal document, legal issue that I searched from website. So if you do have some legal issue, you need to consult the legal department. You need to consult a lawyer. Like I say, I'm not representing um, anyone. This material is just for you to check. If you do have any issue, please consult. So we will be talking about three different kind of mental health law. We can begin with, let's say, mental health section 117 aftercare, and this law is proposed under the Mental Health Act during the 1983. So on this fact sheet, we trying to explain a little bit of the aftercare on section 117. The key point here is about aftercare, meaning that when you get off from the hospital. And then under this entitled section 117 aftercare, this is also the corresponding with the hospital law under the section number 3, 37, 45A, 47.8 under the Mental Health Act 1983. According to this law on 117, won't get a free aftercare if you have been in hospital under any other section. And then also social service should give you aftercare for free, meaning that after you get off from the hospital, your case may be transferred into a social service um, provider, such as social worker, case manager, or others government city type of social service. Aftercare will focus on your health. The main purpose is to help you to get better and not going back to the hospital. So this is also outlined on the section 117. You may get a thing like a specialized in housing. Most likely, if you get discharged from hospital, the housing specialist or any mental health provider will be providing kind of housing situation, housing opportunity depending on the situation. And also, you people who work under your care may get some free prescription for mental diagnosis. And also, aftercare should not stop along the need in to stay well. So pretty much meaning that even though you get well, you still get some kind of aftercare in free prescription depending on uh, 17. So let's look a little bit of section 117. Um, we pretty much explain what happens. So pretty much section 117 is about your aftercare. So if you get worse after you get discharged from the hospital, they will try to help to reduce that condition so you don't have to go back to the hospital. If you want more information, you can read through this. I want to jump into section 135 on the Mental Health Act. So this is to help you to take into a place of safety area from your private places. This one will including after you get discharged from the hospital or from the other places if you discharged by the police, how the healthcare professional will be able to take you to your home. So on this section 155 under the Mental Health Act, will be talking about emphasizing how you get your home safe in case of some kind of things that happen to you to help. So in this 135 section, police will keep you at the place to make sure that you're safe. Um, you will be under this section 135. You will be keeping um, at the place for 36 hours. And also, if you are in the public places, you want some legal advice, this law section 135 mental health act will also be able to help. So basically, this section 135 may get a proof of clinician, you may get a mental health professional, police officer, or custody people get involved with your care under the mental health act. And let's look at the last thing discussed today is called section 136 of Act is about emergency police power to take from the public places to place for safety. So from my understanding, this is more like if you have a severe mental illness, this is not like a 50-50, but this is more like if suddenly develop certain kind of mental health illness and were not able to find care of your professional. Under this section 136, you give the police the emergency power to taking care of your need. So the police may use those power to help if you suffer from severe mental illness. If you need immediately help, they can also take you to a safe places. Mental health be assessed after con, con, con. And also the assessment will be able to help you to work on your next step. Professionals such as social worker, clinician, um, mental health professional will be able to assess your situation if you have a certain kind of health need. This section also give police the power to help you to find a safe places for up to 24 hours. In the very rare circumstances, they may extend for the other 12 hours for you to stay. So totally can give them the power. They will have those power for 36 hours after you get discharged. I mean not after before you get discharged. So the mental health assessment will be conducted uh, before you get discharged, and then you will not be detained in hospital after 36 hours. And you have a right to be told why you have to be detained and be helped for get some kind of legal advice if you do need some kind of mental health legal advice from other professional. They will be able to help on that. So on this section 136, they also talk about not just give police the emergency power. Um, they also under here says that police can use those power if they think you have a mental disorder. You are in a public place and need help. And under section 136, the police must think you need immediately care control. So this can be, let's say, you are under the street, become symptomatic, you have some kind of mental health issue, the police will be able to, give them the control to help to address your mental health symptoms. Um, this one also talk about the mental disorder, illness, things like dementia, but dementia and developmental disorder, including autism, those are not specifically under the mental health diagnosis, but under this law, you to get some kind of support. But the main thing summarizing the whole section 136 is the police have a power for 36 hours, 24-hour extended to 12 hours if necessary to help you, assist you if you have some kind of mental health symptoms or develop a very severe mental health issue in your life. So that's it for today's channel. If you have any question, feel free to check those mental health and mental health law. And I will see you again next time. Bye bye.